Double-insulated freezer bowl holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert. Designed for the pure indulgence frozen yogurt, sorbet, and ice cream maker, ICE-30RFB. Functions as a replacement item or second bowl. No need to stir or add ice. Maintains low temperature to freeze ingredients fast and evenly. The extra freezer bowl allows you to make additional flavors or a larger quantity of your favorite frozen desserts. Double-insulated freezer bowl maintains a low temperature to freeze ingredients fast and evenly for smooth and creamy results. Top reviews from the United States. Don't ever wash with hot or warm water. The bowl is a perfect replacement for our Cuisinart ICE-30RFB ice cream maker. Now for the very important things to remember, and if you are buying a replacement, then it is probably due to the same problem I had. It stopped freezing properly. The gel inside the walls of the bowl is sloshy and would not stay cold enough to make ice cream even after a week in the freezer at max cold temp. That was entirely my fault for rinsing the bowl out with hot water. Don't even use warm water, just rinse with cold water after you have removed your ice cream from the bowl. I don't care how dirty and gross it sounds, don't use soap or warm or hot water ever with this bowl, and it will last you a very long time. No metal tools, just rinse and immediately put it back in the freezer when you are done making and emptying your ice cream. And on a side note, this machine makes the best ice cream I have ever had, and the Cuisinart ice cream recipes are simple and great.